Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we're going to learn about Autopilot for existing devices. When I say existing devices, you might be working in a co-management Intune. So this course is purely focused on standalone Intune. But in case if you have Intune as well as the SCCM and both the combinations, you might need to look at existing devices configuration, like existing devices wanted to move to Intune, and then you wanted to set up the co-management in that into the co-management, as well as you want to configure the autopilot. Then by default there are few of the reports are relevant to exporting the hardware ID information, and that information can be imported into the autopilot specific profile configuration in the devices section, and then we can proceed further. But I just wanted to give you here how that actually looks at the high level. So first thing would be you need to create a JSON file, and that specific file will contain all the specific values which are related to the autopilot profile information, which I'm going to give you in the background of in this description of this video, or in this lecture. I'm going to give that complete URL so that you can use that specific JSON file information and you can create out of that. And then you need to create a package in SCCM. So create a SCCM package, and that package you can call it just before the networking settings within your task sequence. It can be a standalone task sequence, or it can be your MDT integrated, but just before call on the networking specific settings, so that it's gonna work out. And also this can only work on 1809 specific. It doesn't work on below 1809. And also if you are configuring the USMT configurations, it's not going to support, as on recording of September 2019 of this video. So make sure that there's no nothing on the USMT specific, because it's just for the they are assuming everything will be redirected to Microsoft of OneDrive for business, including your because you're gonna set up the policies, group policies, to redirect your entire desktop and folders, everything to the Microsoft store, Microsoft OneDrive, so that the every possible information of that machine is available in the OneDrive for business. Now it's time for just to format and install. So that's why USMT is not supported. In their point of view, it's right, and we have already crossed the Windows 7 migration project. So most of the companies are still on Windows 10, and in fact Windows 7 is gonna end up their support in next year. So there is no point on that to they develop this specific technology on USMT specifics. That's why it's going to remove that. And coming back to the task sequence, how it looks like is this is how it looks like. You can simply enter the command line to copy that specific JSON file information to the provisioning autopilot directly, and then it does that work automatically. So what happens is this JSON file will have that values, and that specific values will be works as the answer file for autopilot, and then it does that required autopiloting capabilities, whatever we have configured, that would actually answers, and it gets deployed. That's how it's going to work on the autopilot. I'm sorry, this entire course is focused on standalone, not on the SCCM or co-management. That's why I couldn't deliver this, but if really time allows later point, I would be definitely adding here that specific video also. Thank you for watching this. Make sure that you check out the links which has clear steps on how to do it step by step.